Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I go from curly to straight, and I'm using this intense keratin treatment on my hair. So if you guys are interested in this video, please keep on watching.
Natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae. All about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.
Hey guys, so I am starting off by wetting my hair. I just took my hair out of braids and it needs some TLC. So today I will be using Natural Formula's Keratin Intense line, and this line has pure keratin in it. So right now I'm taking this shampoo to shampoo my hair and just really cleanse my scalp. So with this line, the protein strengthens your hair and gives it vitality. It also provides a protective coating to help smooth out your hair strands. And if you haven't seen in the title, we will be straightening my natural hair, and these products are for straightened or heat styled hair. So here I'm just rinsing out that shampoo that we just washed our hair with. So Natural Formula's Keratin Intense line also comes with keratin shots. So typically once a week when you want to give your hair an intensive and restorative treatment, you can use the Keratin Ample shots, and it comes in a package of 4, so it's suitable for anyone who wants to do a whole month of treatment. And on other days you can also use the conditioner after shampooing. But in this tutorial I decided to use the Keratin Intense mask. It's Natural Formula's bestseller, and it has so many good reviews on Amazon. So as you can see, I saturated my hair with this mask to make sure that my hair was fully covered, because I wanted my hair to be in the smoothest and best condition it could be before I go in with heat styling. So other days you can use just the regular conditioner after shampooing, but again in this tutorial I used the shampoo followed up with the Keratin Intense hair mask. And so just a few facts about Natural Formula's Keratin Intense line. It's sodium chloride free, it contains pure keratin, it's enriched with panthenol, enriching moisturizers, and also it's supposed to maintain straightening results for 3 times longer. And so that's very big for me because I don't straighten my hair often, so when I do I like for it to last long. And this line is also expertly formulated to restore, nourish, and strengthen your hair. After I wash my hair and everything, I'm gonna start with the heat styling process, and I like to go ahead and blow dry my hair with just a brush blow dryer. So that's what I'm doing here. And I like to take this section by section, because as someone with natural curly hair, you can't just, attack the whole head at once. You have to go section by section. So you just want to be patient with yourself and make sure that you are blow drying your hair in decent sized sections. And you're going to do the same thing when you start to flat iron the hair. You want to make sure you're doing it in decent sections. This is about the size that I do for straightening my hair, and I believe my flat iron is on 385. I didn't want to go above 400 degrees because I don't want any heat damage from my curls. So this also aided with giving me a more voluminous look, and so I just did about 3 passes at the root and 1 pass on the shaft of my hair. And I did the chasing method where you chase the flat iron, or you chase the comb with your flat iron to make sure, you know, you don't have any tangles or anything and you're getting your hair as straight as possible. And so this is how my hair is looking. As you can see, the transition between straight and blow dried is just crazy. My hair has grown, so I'm super excited about this length, and the shine is there. I'm loving it. So after I finish each section, I do go in with the serum from Natural Formula's Keratin Intense line, and I just put that on my hair to add a little bit of shine. And here we are doing the other side of my head, just finishing that piece. Y'all know you be so ready when you get to that last piece of hair because your arms are burning, because this is a whole workout. And so here I'm just showing you guys the serum that I was talking about that I applied to my hair, and now we're just brushing it, and I want to show you guys how my hair looks straight. And I'm gonna move back just a little bit so you guys can kind of get a length reference. And so this is what my hair is looking like. She has a lot of shine, she has a lot of body, and she looks full. And so here I'm going in and I'm gonna bump my hair, because typically I don't wear my hair bone straight. I like to bump my ends and give it a little curl, give it a little razzle dazzle, because I just think it's super cute when I have just like these loose curls. And so I'm just using the same flat iron to curl my hair. And this is another reason why I don't turn the heat up super high, because technically I'm passing through my entire head yet again to do these curls. So that's another reason why I don't turn the heat up super high. So it's just kind of depends on how your hair takes heat and if you've heat trained your hair and things like that. So you could do this with a curling iron if you want to. It's completely up to you, or you can leave it bone straight. But this is just what my hair looks like. I think it looks super duper duper cute. Look at this shine. We giving you some close-up action and all the things. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've watched this far and you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Like, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, sis? Go ahead and subscribe. Join the gym squad. That basically means you're joining a community of people committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. So go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and turn on your post notifications. And without further ado, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to the full. Bye, guys.